What should you post on social media to grow your business? Watch this video till the end and you're gonna get your answer. So, what to post on social media for your small business? Now, before we start, let me quickly introduce myself. So, hey there, business owner. My name is Petra Schranz from BigIncomeParadise.com, and you are in the right place if you want to grow your small business with unique and outstanding social media content. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and ding that notification bell so you never miss any of my videos. Now, let's start. What should you post to grow your small business? Definitely, the first thing are stories. Storytelling is one of the best strategies that is going to help you grow your small business because it's going to draw those people in that really are interested in your business. And when they get to know you better, your stories, they're going to identify with your brand. Some of them won't. That's not your audience, right? That's what you want. You want people who identify with your brand. So the next thing is you should talk about your values because it's going to make your life and your business easier if you attract people who are similar to you, who value the same things. So make sure you talk about the values of your small business and the different those are going to be different from other businesses, right? Other business owners have different values, so you're going to stand out for your target audience, who is going to have the same values. You should also explain who you help because that's going to make your life again easier. So keep it simple, explain it in one or two sentences: who you help, what you do, how you help them, and why your business is so important for them. Okay? Now, value content. Obviously, you already know that you should share value and knowledge. So don't be afraid to share it. Okay, like a lot of small business owners are afraid to share more value because they think then no one's going to buy from them. Now, don't get me wrong, you should not share all of the knowledge so that you fix all of your audience's problems, right? You don't want that. That's why you have your products. But give them enough value and knowledge that they're going to start seeing some results because that's going to boost their trust in you. Okay. Now, social proof. This is a big one. Testimonials are so powerful because those real customers that you have are going to share their experience. Because let's be honest, when you share about your products, you obviously are going to talk great about them. So people are not going to trust you as much because everyone talks good about their brand and business and their products. But when they see someone else talk good about your products, their trust is going to go up. So that's what's going to boost your sales. Now, before you go, if you need to learn how to write creative social media content without struggle, there's going to be a link down below to my blog post. So go check it out. I encourage you to take some notes and then implement those strategies that I share with you in my blog post. So thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.